Yes, I'm up the hill now, and there you can see EcoFarm, and our construction expert Karen, who is saying hi to you, was just working with the architects. They are there living, and the landscape design people. They came to apply to the bid. We actually have around 30 applicants, so we are expecting to have busy bidding process. Yeah, again we have the bad side of the reality, and you can see that's just insane. I mean, we cleaned this up, cleaned up the area. Last year it was like ideally clean, and now you can see the local residents what they did it. I mean, there are like 10 houses here, and it's just insane how these 10 residents can just destroy the nature. But we should definitely work with them. There is also an irrigation water channel which we cleaned the last year, and it's broken now, so Karen and his team will be fixing it. We will make it a nice and clean irrigation channel this year, now actually this coming week. Yeah, so we will go now inside and make some more positive videos about EcoFarm.